I'm the math guy, Steve. Let's try solving this equation. So when solving equations that have radicals in them, our first attempt or our first step should be to try to get the radical on a side by itself, okay, or the square roots on a side by itself. All right. So in order to do that here, we would say, okay, well, this radical is on the side and the equal sign is right between the other side. And so this radical is on a side by itself. All right. Our next step would be to raise both sides of that equation to some power. Okay. Now, since this is a square root, we're going to raise both sides to the second power. That square root and raising it to the second power cancel each other out. Okay. So in other words, we're going to square both sides of this equation. Okay. So square both sides of this equation. Now, what that does again on this left side is it gets rid of that radical. The square root and the square cancel each other out. So we're left with just negative 10 plus 7x. And then on the right side, squaring this right side, we get x squared. But now what we've created is a quadratic equation. So to solve the quadratic equation,